Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can make $5,000 per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest is a visual social media platform that is perfect for affiliate marketing. It's a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers who are already interested in the products or services you're promoting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing, including how to find high-converting affiliate programs, how to create visually appealing pins, how to use Pinterest analytics to track your results, and more. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money with Pinterest, then stick around and watch this video. Section 1. What is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Pinterest affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting products or services on Pinterest. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a percentage of the sale. It's a great way to make money online, even if you don't have your own website or blog. Section 2. How to find high-converting affiliate programs. The first step to making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing is finding high-converting affiliate programs. This means finding programs that have products or services that people are actually interested in buying. There are a few different ways to find high-converting affiliate programs. One way is to look for programs that have a high commission rate. This means that you'll earn more money for every sale you make. Another way to find high-converting affiliate programs is to look for programs that have a good reputation. This means that people are happy with the products or services that they offer. You can also find high-converting affiliate programs by looking for programs that are relevant to your audience. This means that the products or services that they offer are something that your audience is interested in buying. Section 3. How to create visually appealing pins. Once you've found some high-converting affiliate programs, it's time to start creating pins. Your pins are what will get people to click on your affiliate links, so it's important to make sure they're visually appealing. There are a few things to keep in mind when creating pins. Use high-quality images or videos. Make sure your pins are relevant to your target audience. Use clear and concise text. Use a strong call to action. Section 4. How to use Pinterest analytics to track your results. Pinterest analytics is a powerful tool that can help you track your results and see what's working and what's not. This information can help you improve your pins and make more money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Some of the things you can track with Pinterest analytics include the number of impressions your pins have received, the number of clicks your pins have received, the number of conversions you've generated, the average click-through rate, center, of your pins, the average conversion rate of your pins. Section 5. Conclusion. Pinterest affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. It's a low-cost, low-risk way to start a business and earn a passive income. If you're interested in learning more about Pinterest affiliate marketing, then I encourage you to check out the resources I've linked to in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online.